Ready to give your 1987 to 2006 Jeep 4.0-liter the performance boost it deserves? Whether you're tackling rugged trails or cruising through city streets, your Jeep deserves the best. Imagine the thrill of enhanced power and efficiency every time you hit the road. This package combines advanced engineering with durability to deliver power where it matters most. The Summit Racing Edelbrock Comp Cams package is designed to optimize your Jeep's engine performance, ensuring you get the most out of every drive. With components that are built to last, you can trust this package to withstand the toughest conditions. Precision crafted for a perfect fit and optimal performance, this package ensures better airflow, increased power, and reliable performance for off-road adventures. The enhanced airflow means your engine breathes easier, resulting in more horsepower and torque. Whether you're climbing steep inclines or navigating rocky paths, you'll notice the difference. Feel the difference in acceleration, torque, and overall drivability with this complete head and cam upgrade. Experience smoother transitions and more responsive handling, making your off-road escapades more exhilarating than ever. The increased torque provides the muscle you need to conquer any terrain with confidence. Transform your Jeep's performance today. Tap the link and go to 4x4trailrunners.com to learn more. Unleash the full potential of your Jeep with this comprehensive upgrade package. Join the community of Jeep enthusiasts who trust Summit Racing for their performance needs. Your next adventure awaits. Happy trails.